Number 1. Introduction to Autonomous Robots by Introduction to Autonomous Robots. 276 stars today, 211 total. Introduction to Autonomous Robots is an open textbook published by MIT Press focusing on the computational principles of autonomous robots. The book covers mechanisms, sensors, actuators, and algorithms, and its full text source code is freely available under CC by NC license. It is an excellent resource for students, researchers, and developers who want to understand the fundamentals of autonomous robotics. Number 2. Clone Wars by GorvGoyl. 337 stars today, 161 total. Clone Wars is a collection of over 100 open-source clones of popular sites like Airbnb, Amazon, Instagram, Netflix, and more. The project includes source code, demo links, tech stacks, and tutorials, making it a perfect tool for developers who want to learn about building real-world applications. Ideal for both beginners and advanced developers, with over 35,000 stars on GitHub. Number 3. Cypress by cypress-io. 7 stars today, 49,087 total. Cypress is a next-generation front-end testing framework built for anything that runs in a browser, end-to-end, component, and integration tests all in one. What sets it apart is the developer experience, real-time reloads, automatic waiting, and time travel debugging that eliminate flaky tests once and for all. It's the go-to tool for teams of every size, from indie developers to enterprise engineering orgs, who need fast and reliable browser testing. Number 4. Meshery by meshery. 3 stars today, 1012 total. Meshery is an open-source cloud-native manager under CNCF sponsorship, allowing users to design and manage all Kubernetes infrastructure across multiple clouds. It offers visual and collaborative GitHubs, freeing developers from YAML, and supports 380+ integrations. It is the ideal tool for platform engineers, DevOps, and Kubernetes administrators. Number 5. SkillSpectre by NVIDIA. 962 stars today, 437 total. SkillSpectre is a security scanner by NVIDIA for AI agent skills. It detects vulnerabilities, malicious patterns, and security risks in agent skill files used by tools like Claude Code, Codex CLI, and Gemini CLI, which currently execute with implicit trust and minimal vetting. Research shows 26.1% of skills contain vulnerabilities and 5.2% show malicious intent, making this tool essential for any developer deploying AI agents in production.